Hey guys, I know this is late, but I have to do it anyway. Alright, this is well, I'm not sure what kind of ceiling fan this is, but remember, like I said, if anybody knows what kind of ceiling fan model it is, please notify me. Please put a comment. Just put a comment on my video ASAP, alright? Okay, I'm gonna turn it on and see what it sounds like. So just listen carefully. First, let me test the light. Alright, light's perfect. Now let's test the fan. Everything seems to be working alright. Alright, let's put it in reverse. Alright, back again. Alright, let's turn it off. Okay. Alright, I'll stop the recording once the fan stops spinning. Once the blade stops spinning. Okay. Like I said before, this is the 1980s. Well, I know ceiling fan, so if you know what kind of a ceiling fan this is, please notify me about that immediately. I had it since, well, 20 years ago, so I believe it's a 1988 model. Okay, well, that about does it. Thanks for watching.